His is the top model in this year's Redmi Note series, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. It brings some serious upgrades over its siblings, but is it worth the higher price tag? I'm Will from Atif Official, and let's find out in our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus review. Design and build quality. Xiaomi has packed a lot of premium features into its Redmi Note Pro models this year. Features that used to be exclusive to the Pro Plus tier. Think curved displays, a 200-megapixel main camera, and even IP68 water resistance. But the Pro Plus still stands out with a more powerful chipset, blazing 120-watt fast charging, and a revamped selfie camera. Design-wise, this year's Redmi Notes look strikingly similar. You get a sleek, rounded square camera bump and a back panel that's either glass or vegan leather, like our review unit. The phone's thin aluminum frame curves gently into the display, and Xiaomi claims it's extra durable against drops. Oh, and that IP68 rating? It means you can even use the screen with wet fingers. Display quality test. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus sports a stunning 6.67-inch curved OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and buttery 120Hz refresh rate. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, this screen is sharp, contrasty, and flanked by slim bezels. It supports 12-bit color depth, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. Though its peak brightness of around 1200 nits isn't class-leading, it's plenty bright for outdoor use. For audio, the Pro Plus packs stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. They're loud and deliver clear vocals, decent mids, and surprisingly punchy bass for a phone in this segment. Unlocking is handled by an under-display fingerprint sensor, fast but placed a tad low. There's also an IR blaster for controlling appliances. Storage options, 256GB or 512GB, but no micro SD expansion. Software and performance. The phone runs HyperOS 1.0 on Android 14, with AI tricks like Circle to Search and Google Gemini built in. Xiaomi promises future updates, including HyperOS 2.0, plus at least 3 major Android upgrades. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 delivers solid performance, though competition at this price is fierce. Thermal management? Impeccable. Barely any throttling under stress. Battery and charging. The 5110 mAh battery's endurance is middling. Just 10 hours and 40 minutes in our active use test. But the 120-watt charging? A lifesaver. 0 to 75% in 15 minutes. And a full charge in just 21. Camera tests. Cameras. A familiar setup. 200-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro. Daylight photos are sharp with accurate colors, but dynamic range could be better. Portrait mode? Decent, but struggles with skin tones. Low light performance, however, is impressive for the price. The 20-megapixel selfie camera? Underwhelming. Soft and often misfocused. For video, the main cam shoots great 4K footage, even at night, but the ultra-wide falls short. Comparison with competitors now. Let's talk competition. The Poco X7 Pro, for instance, offers a similar 120Hz AMOLED display and 67W fast charging at a lower price, though it lacks the Pro Plus's IP68 rating and curved screen. Meanwhile, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro steps it up with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, wireless charging, and arguably better software support. Tough choices. User experience and daily use. In daily use, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus feels snappy. Social media, multitasking, and even heavy gaming are handled well. HyperOS is feature-packed, but leans heavy on bloatware, so expect some pre-installed apps. The curved display looks premium, though accidental touches can happen. And that vegan leather back? A fingerprint-free win. Pros and cons list. Let's break it down. Pros: gorgeous 120Hz curved display, IP68 durability, and insanely fast 120-watt charging. Cons: average battery life, a so-so ultra-wide camera, and selfies that'll leave you wanting more. Oh, and no expandable storage. A bummer for media hoarders. Final verdict. So, who's this phone for? If you crave Xiaomi's ecosystem, love that curved screen glam, and need charging that's faster than your morning coffee brew, this could be your match. But if value for money tops your list, last year's Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus or rivals like the Poco X7 Pro might save you cash without major compromises. Call to action. Got questions? Drop them below. And if you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.